In this video, I'll be showing you how to wipe the cache partition on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing to do is the mandatory connection. Samsung requires a physical data handshake to enter the recovery menu. So connect your phone to a PC, laptop, or gaming console using a USB-C cable. Wall chargers are not going to work for this process, so bear that in mind, and turn your phone completely off. Then press and hold the volume up and power button at the same time and keep holding them until the Samsung Galaxy logo appears. Release both buttons immediately when you see the Android recovery text, which is usually a black screen with yellow and blue text. Now, in this menu, the touchscreen is disabled, so you got to use the volume buttons to go up and down and the power button to select. So use volume down to highlight wipe cache partition, press the power button to select it, then highlight yes and press the power button to confirm. Then wait for the cache wipe complete message at the bottom of the screen. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.